Hello, welcome once again to this channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to crochet cat keychain like this one. It is easy to crochet. Materials: I'm going to use medium weight yarn, hook 3.5 mm, cotton, and a pair of scissors. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell. You will be notified whenever I upload a video. And please watch the video up to end. Let us start. We start with a slip knot. The foundation chain we are going to chain 10. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From the second chain from the hook, we are going to start with single crochet. Here now we have 2 loops on the hook. You pull through that single crochet. We continue up to the end. We are going to chain 1 and turn our work. We continue with a single crochet. Chain 1 and turn our work. We are going to continue until we have 10 rows. Chain 1 and turn our work. We are going to put a triple crochet to yarn over 2 times, 1, 2, and we count the 55th stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are going to make 10 treble crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next we are going to slip stitch here. Next we are going to make 10 treble crochet in one stitch. In between here on the 50th row, we yarn over 2 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Next we are going to slip stitch here and chain 1. You have to make another one which is identical to this. Next we are going to join the two together. I'm done with making mine, this one. Next we are going to join them together like this. You have to make two hearts which are identical, then after I join them together. This and this one. Then we join them together like this. When joining, this is the right side, this is the wrong side. We join this wrong side, make sure these long sides face each other like this. This is the right side and this is the right side. Then long sides facing each other. Then you start joining. Once we reach this side, we are going to put our cotton inside like this. We will continue with joining. Once we reach this side where there is a V, we are going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the slip stitch here. This is where we are going to attach our keychain. Then we continue with joining. Chain 1, and cut off the yarn. I pull it through. Then we are going to use the needle to weave in the ends. Finally, our heart keychain is finished. Thank you for watching.